In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vibrant and entertaining 4K cinematic scene using the Sora website. Whether you're new to digital art creation or just looking for a fun, creative project, this tutorial will guide you through each step to bring your imaginative visions to life. So, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Sora and press enter. Sora is a user-friendly website designed to help you craft unique and engaging digital content effortlessly. Once your search results load, look for the official Sora website, which should appear near the top of your list. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you directly to their homepage, where all the magic happens. Upon entering the Sora website, you'll encounter a range of creative options, but for today, we'll focus on crafting a dynamic prompt. Imagine crafting a bright, comedic 4K cinematic of the Statue of Liberty clutching a giant, gooey pepperoni pizza slice instead of her iconic torch. Picture the stretchy cheese pulling away tantalizingly, with seagulls swooping in for a snack, shocked tourists pointing and exclaiming, all against the backdrop of a sunny, vibrant New York skyline. It's a fantastical, humorous vision, perfect for testing the platform's capabilities. Once you've imagined that scene, it's time to bring it to life. On the Sora website, locate the section where you can input your prompt. Carefully type in your imaginative description, paying attention to each detail that you've envisioned. This helps ensure the final output closely resembles what you're picturing. With your prompt carefully entered, locate the Submit button, typically featured prominently on the page. Click Submit to see your cinematic scene take shape. At this point, Sora works its creative magic, transforming your words into a vivid digital representation. This might take a little time, depending on the complexity of your prompt, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. After your cinematic creation is complete, it's time to watch the result of your creative journey. Navigate to your profile on the Sora website. Here, you can easily access and view the video you've just crafted. Take a moment to admire how the Statue of Liberty dazzles under the New York sun, her gooey pizza slice lighting up the scene with humor and vibrancy. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a comedic cinematic masterpiece with a few simple steps using Sora. Experiment with different prompts to see what other fantastic scenes you can create. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!